All right, the day is finally here. I don't look that good. I'm finally packed. We are going to Ghana for the first time. Oh, why isn't this working? Oh, I know why it's not working. Okay, that's why. So right now we're in JFK Airport. Vanessa is studying. I don't know what she's studying for. Good morning, YouTube. We are in Accra, Ghana. And I don't look that great, so I'm not going to show myself. Yeah, this is outside of our Airbnb. This is my room. And we got woken up by some chickens and roosters. I think it was from this side. I don't know where they are, though. But yeah, there was some chickens and roosters this morning. Very different vibe than America. Let's see what's going on here. Bathroom. And this is Vanessa's room.
Yeah, show my dirty room.
Oh, okay, never mind.
Playing on the track. Yay!
Everybody, you gonna be in my vlog, guys. Yes. We're going to Labadi Beach. Uh-oh. Yeah, it has to be authorized. The weather's really good. Weather's really good. Yeah. It's on my feet. Oh, we're going this way? Oh.
They are the way. You can see they are going.
We are not coming to you. We are just look around, yeah. Right?
This weather is nice. Wow.
Nice weather. Yeah. Thank you. How are you all doing?
Yeah, me was a low.
You go with you. I'm going everywhere.
Now, English.
America.
You go there, right?
Guess you want to sit there, you can sit there. We have
Oh,
nice
some stairs.
No, we just walk around, then we come back, okay?
Okay. The blue side, I said.
The blue side?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh.
And weekends they have like a live band.
Oh, we should come here on the. Oh, we are coming here on the weekend.
See that?
Wow, this water is beautiful. Oh gosh, I almost fell.
So what I do is I come and I sit down. Thank you. How are you?
Hello.
Good.
Ooh.
Suya.
Hello. Suya?
It's not a dog.
That's not dog meat?
Yeah, no, it's
That's not dog meat, right? Okay, good. Good. Okay, no, I won't ask. I just want to make sure.
You want to make sure?
Oh, this is beautiful.
Labadi Beach.
Oh my goodness.
Labadi Beach.
Okay. Wow. This is nice. I know.
Take a nice picture of it, okay?
I just want to take a video. Hold on one second. I'm gonna purchase some stuff first.
Yeah, you put it like that.
I know. But then, for me, I didn't
Okay. So how do you feel about your experience shopping? Just now.
I got some really good. I got this really nice. Oh, this is gonna be nice. Do you know what? This is really nice. This is kind of like us, three sisters.
Yeah.
Three sisters, unity. Yeah.
S-Bling on the track.
These street people, they have no chill. They'll take all your money.
Forward ever, yeah. Backwards never.
This is the Kwame Nkrumah Mausoleum. And that is him, I guess.
We can go here. No. Oh, okay. I thought you can walk, or you can go there. You can walk here. You can walk here, but not yeah. Wow. Kwame Nkrumah.
Pointing at him.
Yeah, we can walk here, right?
Yes. Okay, I was already taking a picture and a video.
Oh, that's the wife. That's the wife's grave. This is the wife's grave.
The wife is
Yeah, that's the wife. The wife also died in Egypt, but they brought the body back
here.
in Ghana. Yeah.
Aww.
So that's her body right
That's
there.
the body right there.
Oh wow.
The body is here.
Oh wow. That's
We can stand on this.
Yeah.
Dr. Kwame Nkrumah.
Born in 1909. Yeah.
I like this, what do we call it? Hers is here. Fatima Nkrumah.
Make it that small. This one small. The big man. Yeah, it's a big man. That's the wife's grave.
Was she short? No, I'm just kidding.